If I get a man like me, they get substance, they get quality. If you're a good woman, I take you on vacation. I give you shrimp, I give you lobster, I give you berries. You can use my card. We can go on tour. We'll take you to car market. Choose the car that you like. You don't want a good man.
Set you up, but then enough for 99. Tell you what the shape and the figure and the style.
So guys, I already got one bag. I just need to wait for the next one. And then I'm all set to leave. I'm surprised my bag came this quick though, because normally it's like the last one to come out.
This year?
You're being weird. So Anna, turn on the music and stuff. I was just leaving the club, right? And I was telling Nathan, and Sash, I was telling them we just left Uptown Mondays, and I was like, no, not Uptown Mondays, Ribbies. And then they're like, no, Uptown, no, it's the Ribbies. And I'm like, no, it's Uptown Mondays.
Yeah.
So I was telling them it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Do you not think so or what?
It's not the same thing.
Let me tell you why it's the same thing.
Uh-huh.
It's a Monday, right?
Yeah.
And we're Uptown, right? Okay, so it's Uptown Mondays.
Not really.
You too?
Adjust.
Where
Remember where you're there.
Sir,
Welcome back to Jamaica.
it's a Monday and we're Uptown. So no matter where we go, Taboo, Tracks and Records, no matter where we're at, it's Uptown Mondays. Once we're Uptown in Kingston, once we're in Kingston or St. Andrew, it's Uptown Mondays.
Alright, lock your beats down.
okay, sure. But another dance when you walked on Mondays.
That's the thing. You guys are being tricked.
Specific.
No, you're being tricked.
Okay.
Anywhere you go on a Monday in Kingston can be called Uptown Mondays.
What them they do? What them I do?
Sash using the bathroom, so need to protect him her.
No.
Again?
Now we're going to Taboo. Christian is so happy. But
You don't know the
yep,
thing.
keep it up. Keep it up, boo.
Good morning. That's one got an next one bond.
Up to the time.
How was Uptown Mondays?
No, that was Ruby's.
Baby girl.
Anyways, look here. We are going to place there, right?
Taboo.
Yeah.
I can't tell about the music now. You did say so serious, me
You
frightened.
you can run.
No, honestly,
You can run, but
that was
Demon
a
Girl. Yeah.
Uptown Mondays was lit though.
We never even go to Uptown
I thought you
Mondays.
started your vlog by saying when you went to Uptown Mondays. But alright, on a serious note, anything bad that I'm doing in the vlog, you need to edit it.
So guys, it's currently Wednesday, January 2nd or 2nd or yeah. But we're currently on our way to the beach. I know in there no, let me wind up my window because that's crazy. We're currently on our way to the beach. It's not I don't think everybody know about this beach. It's a Portmore Harbor Beach.
I want to show this highway.
Hold on. Yeah guys, the Tanya boat will show you guys the highway.
Y'all look at the new highway. I'll go back to Kimmy.
Guys, this is the second time I'm falling asleep knowing I have places to go in the night. How do I even manage to make that happen, you know? You guys know how I feel when it comes on to going to Mecca. You guys know how I feel when it comes on to going to Mecca and stuff. That's really what I was looking forward to, so I need to stop falling asleep. Tanya, you're supposed to be used to this type of water, girl. Boy, I like this. Yo, I never know the beach would look so pretty. I was expecting like a broke down beach, you know?
Yeah, that's budget.
Guys, yeah, I was very nervous on my way here. I was like, yo, them gonna laugh if, you know, like I bring them to somewhere mash up. They're gonna be like this.
Yeah, but people down here consider this mashup, you know? It's because we're foreigners.
You guys, this camera get you guys all the angles. You can't miss nothing. You're here. You are in Jamaica. You're not in America. You think you're in foreign? No. Stop. Yo.
Jano.
Guys, I just put my phone up.
You're okay. You're good. It's waterproof.
Yo.
Your phone is waterproof.
At least it's not the camera, but that's crazy.
It's waterproof.
If you guys don't get me, this is why. My phone just fell in the water.
Your phone dropped in the water?
Tanya, you're not surprised that you're not surprised? Okay.
Okay.
Girl, my phone just dropped in water.
It'll be fine.
It won't. Yes, I drop it and I ding. You guys know I have to go back to the place. Guys, I have visions for this vlog, you know, so it's like if the vlog don't come out how I want it to, I might be disappointed for a long while. I want this to give like just nice, demure, camera clean, vibes nice. I want you guys to feel like you're in Jamaica, you know. I want you guys, after you watch this, on a book on the next trip to come to Jamaica, you know. I want after you guys watch this, you feel like, oh, let me go and pick up some more shifts so I can come to Jamaica, you know. That's the vibes I want to give. So I hope you guys get inspired from this video. Yeah. So guys, it's currently the next morning. It's December 3rd. It's December 31st or the 30th. I don't know what date it is, but today's cartel concert, and it's the morning time. We're about to go ATV riding. You already know I'm about to vlog that. But first, we're gonna stop and get something to eat, and I'll just vlog the journey. We're driving all the way to Ochi. If you guys still haven't subscribed, just subscribe and click the thumbs up button, and I'll keep you guys posted. So guys, I made it safely. It was kind of hard, but I did it. You know, I got ups and stuff, but that's the least key. And guys, I just got me a nice hot cheese patty and a cocoa bread, but I can't even eat it because I have to hurry up and drive. But yeah. Guys, I'm not driving anymore because some people think I'm struggling, but in reality I wasn't struggling. I was just learning. But some people don't give you any time to learn. They just want you to just get stuff immediately. But that's just life. Some people have patience, some people don't.
You look like a whole off, like.
No, like when we reach, you're gonna see why we need one. You're gonna have mud splashing up in your mouth and stuff. I know you don't mind, but you're gonna be like, yo. The place muddy?
No, like on the rain fall.
I mean, that's good. The last people I went to, I never let them. They will speed and leave me and stuff. That can't work. Keep going.
Why do we have to keep going?
Hmm?
Why do we have to keep going?
Cause my thing can't zoom in. Kick bugging. Yeah, my friend is a big girl. Mine will drop off of the road. What is this? No, this is bad. The roads are bad.
ATV dub, yes sir?
Yeah, man.
This gonna be what with ATV on?
Oh, yeah, I got somewhere.
They have a dirt track, right?
Yeah.
We go cool, money. Guys, my taxi driving rough right now.
And I'm at the road, man.
Like, it's alright though. Jesus. Woohoo! Oh, this place official. Yeah, they're turning all the good things down.
By saying good evening. Alright? Good evening. Welcome you to the layer of Mount Zion now. I am Corey. I'll be a guide for this one, alright? We got some other guides you get to meet them as we call them. Now, a few rules before we go. First rule is we can give you a helmet. Second rule is we ask for no stunting, but you want the safety of others. So no wheelies or broadside overtaking or leg knock. We also travel in one line, one bike length apart, so we don't bump into each other. Alright, now the units do not carry indicators, but we'll be making turns, so I'll be giving a signal. So if you see me pointing to the right, no right turn coming up. Pointing left, left turn. Open palm, stop. Waving back and forth.
Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set. Full of the stars.
You're not at work the time. Thank you.
All black with all black bike.
Yep.
Period.
It's giving freedom.
Say hi.
Hello.
Bye, free. That's our tour guide over there. He's just minding his own business. And this is me. Alright, bye.
Guys, Christian was giving trouble.
Hold on.
You were though.
No, she stopped at the corner.
That's not what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about.
You know when you start scaring like that. So guys, they call this heaven up here. We just stop the bikes and stuff. And now we'll look at the nice good view. This camera kind of complicated sometimes, you know. Let's look at the good view. Back to me. Damn, Khaleesi, Madison, Regina, all of you guys are missing this. You guys already know the black bag don't ever, like, it just always win. The arm, of course you chose the army bag. Yo. And the blue bag, the red bag is the tour guide. The Tanya over here doing her content and stuff. She was giving trouble on the bag too. But up here's a vibe. I would have a picnic up here. We're getting a tour right now, guys. Now we're reaching a farm with different animals. I don't know where this chicken thinks she's going. I don't know where. They have parrots too. These parrots don't talk. The big one talk? Like what's it say? You're lying. You believe it? That's not true. I'm not that dumb. You believe it talks sometimes? I don't know.
You hear that?
Yeah, you have it on point. Are you a chicken? The Tanya love animals. She scare me. She's the type to like kiss her dog. And you happy?
Yeah.
Oh hell no. Girl, what the hell? Well, on the farm. We just finished ATV riding. I know you guys see how fun that looked. I know you guys were just so jealous watching that video from being at work, home, or school in America. Jesus, please. I feel it for you guys. But anyways, guys, the Tanya, rate your experience with them for today. The ATV.
It was good. It was like
how much out of 10?
8 out of 10 for me because them could have gone faster.
Oh.
You want chips?
Yes. Oh. How much would you give it? Huh, Christian?
Where this cut?
Yeah, he was being good. We could have went faster, yo.
And then Kimi was going so slow. Like Kimi was going mad slow.
I couldn't even keep up. As reporting to your lab is currently 1:43 a.m. Time moving quick, but you know we're outside and we just stopped to get some jerk chicken. What is a good night out without some jerk chicken from off the roadside, you know? Damn. You know, the Tanya driving and stuff. Well, I already know what to expect when the Tanya driving. This is the outfit for tonight. Hey, mommy. Yes, Madison. Hooray! Hooray! Bossa look her run in the heels and stuff.
You love to see me run. Stop. This ain't no bad. Yeah, everybody asks me to run.
Why did Tanya walking so fast?
Because my all come out of the
My foot hurt now. Christian and them all wet.
You gonna make Christian?
Yo, this way more packed than the night we came here.
Of course. Everybody was at Uptown.
You smell it? That's weed.
Okay, crackhead. Yes, girl. That's a weed.
You can put that in the mug.
We're live at Ribby's right now. Everybody outside. In my bag. Everybody outside, guys. Maybe the liquor touching Madison already. That's why she's so quiet. I remember earlier when you couldn't stop laughing, but I don't know why you couldn't stop laughing.
Kimmy was sitting there like this.
Of course. You know why me a Jamaican? Because of the blessings. I'm blessed. I am blessed. Every day of my life. I'm blessed.
You guys, I'm currently vlogging from my phone because my camera died.
Somebody ever single? Somebody ever single?
Me. Me. Single, me.
It's gonna dry? It usually dries like the white stuff.
We are going. Next two. Ready?
This is looking good so far.
Take your time. Yeah, go in. Yeah.
Shit.
Turbo. Baga. Good?
She said she wanna
Come on, down this time, man. Yeah, man.
Oh, everyone have their own individual speaker?
Yeah. Okay. Everybody good?
Where's your camera?
Sit down by the booty, I hurt the grind. Line by the cocky and turn up the spine. If me not get the phone, I will burn up the line. Say I get broke already. Stop the chatting now, come and go fuck already.
What's the password?
4554510.
My name?
Siamo.
C4. Yeah. Where you come from?
I really don't know.
Yo, you jump like a dog. You're cool. 6 o'clock, get up, pussy, get up. You're at the cold.
Yeah, let me make her come out. She can swim.
Yo, sure no.
Hey, look. Hey, you
Yeah, man, just work up your hand, father, man. Work up. Yeah, man, you can't tell me you're a soldier. Gangster.
Yeah, get in our water.
Hi guys, what's going on? I feel like I haven't picked the camera up for like a whole day. Yesterday my camera died and I just could not charge it, so I basically didn't vlog the whole time. I used my phone. We went rafting, but I just had to use my phone, so you guys might see a shift in the camera quality. But anyways guys, right now we're getting into part 2 of the vacation. You know, this was an impulsive decision, but I hope I don't regret it, and I know I won't regret it. But yeah, we're about to go to a hotel and check in and stuff, but before I do that I have a couple errands to run because that's all the way in Ochi. But if you guys still haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button and just stay tuned so you guys can see all the fun that we're about to have. Outside just looks so beautiful guys, but everything loaded up in the back. Everything loaded up in the bag, all my suitcases, because I'm not coming back to Kingston until it's time to leave. I don't know if my favorite parts of the trip so far for the excursions is ATV or the rafting. I feel like the ATV was wild and fun, and then the rafting was just like very aesthetic. It was smooth and calming, chill. You know, it was a vibe. But then at the same time, the ATV wasn't a vibe. It was like, you know, like, it was nice. But this trip so far, it's been good. It's been good. And I don't know, I feel like the days went by so quick because it's already Friday and then I leave on Monday. So I basically only have 2 full days left. But let's make the best of the 2 full days, you know? Let's not sit down and complain. Let's just make the best of the days that we have left. You know, why waste time complaining? Oh, I only have 2 more days. No. Just make the best of the 2 more days. But stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, this is a brunch place. I'm not sure. I never came here before, so I don't know where is what or which one we're actually going to. Oh yeah. Yeah, it does look good so far. I want a picture right here. Huh? And guys, I was just trying to figure out why the coconut water was pink, and then I saw the explanation right here. I don't know, I never saw no pink coconut water before, so it rubbed me the wrong way at first, but it's good. So refreshing. I wish you guys could have some, but you're just not in Jamaica. I think I want you guys to watch me eat today. I always cut the camera off when I'm eating because my camera, I have I don't have one of the stands to put it on, so I have to lean it on something. So I never thought of leaning it up so that you guys can watch me eat. But today, you guys will be watching me eat. It's giving mukbang ASMR, coming to you from Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah. Okay.
This is the mac and cheese.
Okay.
Yes, in the bread.
Okay.
That's nice.
Would you like any side plates or you're fine with the plates?
We're good.
Okay, let me get it.
Okay.
Is what?
That's first.
Good morning, guys. Look what I woke up to this morning. Like, look on this good view. It's currently January 5th, and this is my second last day at the resort. You know, I'm so happy I came to this resort. Like, I think it's the best part of my trip so far, but I don't know. I haven't been recording that much because my camera been low-key giving problems with the whole settings and stuff, but yeah, over here is a vibe. I hope you guys enjoy the scenery. I realize I've been talking less and recording more inside of the videos, but just tell me what you guys are. You guys prefer to hear me speak or to just watch, you know? But yeah, guys, today we have a long day ahead of us because, you know, it's currently 8:14 a.m. It's my first full day at the resort, so now I get to experience every single thing. So I'm about to go downstairs. I have on this same thing from yesterday. I just threw something on so I can go downstairs, get some more towels and rags, and then come back up, shower. I already did my hair, wash my face, brush my teeth, so I just need to shower, get ready, go down for breakfast, put on a nice outfit, take cute pictures, come back up, put on my beach outfit, and yeah. But if you guys still haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and share the video. Guys, now I'm on my way to the I don't know, to the front desk so I can get more rags and towels. I think this is like a 10-minute walk or something. Show you guys the view again. I can't wait to see. Last night I got to see the stuff that they have for dinner. They have some good stuff, but today I can't wait to see what they have for breakfast, you know? I think breakfast is like my favorite meal of the day, so I'm excited. So guys, this is a finishing product. Tell me if you like my outfit in the comment section. Tell me if you like my outfit in the comment section. It's from Shein. Guys, I don't know why the camera quality look washed out right now, but that's what I've been telling you guys. I don't know how to work this camera. And then the more I touch stuff is the more worse it gets. So I'll just leave it to look like this. But you guys know this is not how light I am. So just know it's the camera. Guys, look how beautiful this is. Like, I'm so stuck. I'm so stuck right now. Guys, now we can finally see how it looked for real, because last night it was dark, so I could have barely saw anything. I didn't know where I was at. I didn't know where I was at, where I was going, if I live on the left or the right side, if I live on the 3rd or the 4th floor. Yeah, I didn't know anything, but just look on the background, like, jeez. Jeez, mommy. Oh, the jerk center will be open. That's what I'm saying. Like, I guess I just needed time to explore this resort, because I was saying the last time I went to Moon Palace, they had a jerk center open the whole day. Like, when you're in the pool you can go and get jerk chicken, but this resort have it too, so that's good. But is this where the food place is? No.
Yeah, I know where we're going. Just calm down. You have to get Sammy tech were everywhere last night.
Guys, so far I have pancakes, bacon, sausage, and a muffin. Now I'm waiting for them to fry me an egg.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, I just changed into my cute two-piece that I'll be wearing for the day. I know I'm not the only one who liked this outfit. I'm about to take pictures too, but I just came up from breakfast. I would give the breakfast a 7 to 8 out of 10. I think dinner is an 8 or 9 out of 10, but the breakfast, I don't know. Maybe because it required more than the dinner, like the egg. I had to stand up and wait for it to get fried. And then, yeah, but stay tuned. I'm about to insert the pictures that I take right here. And yeah, that's it. So guys, we can't do no excursions because it's, as you guys can see, like it's actually windy and it's kind of drizzling, so they don't want to risk the weather. But guess where I'm heading? To the farm. Drive to the BAR in the CAR. I don't know what I want, but I want something frozen. Just looking on it already scared me. You know?
Yeah, that's good. No, I said like I needed 2 for me, 1 for her.
I'm scared. Come on. Yeah, but then this strong too, so it's like, yeah.
That's what she needs.
You're nasty.
Thank you.
Okay guys, I'm about to take this shot and then alright, thank you. You want one going right here or something? Or keep going down more? Yeah. You guys, this strong. Plus the shot too.
Your shot wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that bad, but I almost spit it out. I had to force myself to swallow it. Oh, we have cup holders too. Damn, it can't fit. Guys, I'm just trying to see if there's anywhere in the water that's warmer than where we're at. Because where we're at, very, very cold. Very cold. And I never come here for swimming no cold water. If that was the case, I would have went to a river. Guys, I just came from out the pool. I still didn't put my whole body in there. I just put like my lower parts, like my foot and my belly. Apart from that, too cold. That's like 30 degrees for real. It's way too cold. Yo, that side? Guys, let's watch him run off the thing.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and run.
Okay. Yes, girl.
What's your name? Love. All right, Lilo. You know what to do, my friend. Come on, get the rocket for a little bit. Get the rocket for a little bit. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
No such a deal.
All right. What's your name? Jilo. Jilly. Jilly. So Jilly, you're gonna go in 1, 2, 3. You're ready. You ready?
Get up, 6 o'clock. You're working at morning. Get up. I'm doing a good job to watch.
Everybody say shut So we're talking about getting ready. Everybody, listen. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And rock it. Come on. Rock it. And 1, 2, 3, and go.
Yeah. That was a good one. What is this, Father God? Tell him come again.
Cheers. What's your name?
Kim.
How do you spell it?
K-I-M.
Kim.
Yeah.
Okay. Kim. You? Christian. Juan Carlos. Juan Carlos.
Juan
Carlos. Hey, nice to meet you.
First grade or dance?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, you're a boy. I'm a man. No, respect. I'm just kidding.
That one you're good off for this store. No bad man. No, I'm like, I'm telling this.
Hey, no, lay down.
Oh, it's good. Someone.
So guys, this is my last time here at the resort, and I'm just on the shuttle bus going to the car. Damn, those 3 days went by really quick, but my flight is at 2 o'clock and the airport is 2 hours away, and it's currently 11 o'clock, so hopefully I make it, but I really don't know if I'm going to, you know. But just look on the view. Guys, I brought down so much like vacation clothes. I forgot to bring an outfit to go back up in the cold. So now I just have on some shorts and a graphic t-shirt. Damn. About to miss this. The sun and everything.
Good morning.
Good morning, my dear. How are you?
Okay, and you?
Good, thanks, God. Sweetie, could you pick me up, please?
Where?
2 now.
Alright, I'll be there.
Alright, thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Alright, bye.
Did you hear somebody calling my name? You guys, I'm actually so sad. I never expected to be this. Like, I don't ever feel for no more patty, to be honest. I don't ever feel for KFC too, but it's like I'll eat it just because, like, I don't want to feel bad, you know?
Yeah, alright, it's a little.
Guys, let's just hope there's no traffic. If there's traffic, definitely not catching a flight. Sir, there's normally traffic at this time of the day?
It's Monday. No.
Okay. Everybody at work, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But between 5:30, traffic is on the road.
Okay.
Early morning between 8 and 9. Hey, you told me the car park. Give me a minute. Alright, prison. Keep tongue.
Alright, Andrew.
Alright, nice seeing you. Enjoy your day.
Okay.
Drive safe, my boss.
Alright.
So sweet. There's some nice people here, guys. They're very friendly down here. They make you feel welcome and they make you feel appreciated, you know, like they make you feel happy to be here. You won't feel out of place no matter where you're from. And that's the beauty about being in Jamaica. And that's why our motto is out of many one people. Never lie. When you guys watch my video, I'm going to get history class. And oh shoot. Yeah, we're going fast. Him know we're about to fly to catch. Yeah. I would give this hotel an 8 out of 10. The first thing they can do is get a hot tub. Secondly, they can have some 24-hour restaurants. But very good though.
Give a gear pass, my boss. Get. Now stop. I'm not going to get the pass if you want. Oh, damn bad.
How much is a day pass?
I'm not sure. You'll have to check by the front.
Left or right? Left?
Left. And then.
Guys, I'll see you when I get to the airport.
Right here.
Guys, now I have to say our final goodbyes to Jamaica. It was fun while it lasted, but I'll definitely be back in like 3 or 4 months.
Yo, clearance. Ambulance coming through. Watch it.
I'll be back. guys, the one time I never wear no clothes, that's when the flight have AC and stuff. I already feel myself freezing. I just brought this jacket. But yeah guys, so I'm on my flight now. Hunger beating me and I just look rough. I never, like this morning I drove straight from Oche from the hotel and came straight to the airport. The airport is already 2 hours away, so I didn't have no time to get ready or do anything. I just know I had to catch a flight. But after this, I land in Fort Lauderdale, and then I wait 3 hours, board the next flight, and get to Hartford. But if you guys made it to the end of this, video, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are my real ones, and you know, it's only up from here. But if you guys still haven't subscribed, just subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and share the video with your friend. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
As the sun out, dog, my perch ends, my light the candle, my party big.